We get this question a lot within our agency, and simply put, what type of insurance do auto dealers need? Here specifically in the state of North Carolina, there's two mandates or two laws that require our licensed auto dealers to carry the insurance. The first one is the surety bond. It's a $50,000 bond insurance coverage, and what it says is you'll operate in good faith within the statutes of the state of North Carolina. However, if by chance you don't, this surety bond responds financially to provide protection for the assistance of those that you may have harmed. The second requirement within the state of North Carolina is garage liability. Garage liability is the day-to-day operations protection that helps you on your car lot or in your dealings. A couple examples would be driving vehicles newly bought or maybe just newly purchased, or test driving to and from your car lot, your used dealership or your new dealership. It could be dealer tags running back and forth to the sale, letting customers come in, test drive, or so forth. But the garage liability piece, very similar to the auto liability of the state requirement, is to provide coverage and protection for damage and bodily injury to others. This does not protect your assets, your investment, or simply put, your vehicles on the lot for sale. Regardless of your investment, whether it may be a self-investment, out-of-pocket expense for your retail vehicles for sale, or it could be on a floor plan with a lender involved, you will want to keep that coverage on those vehicles, and we call that dealer's blanket. Very simply put, dealer's blanket protects the vehicles on your lot that are for sale. If you have a bank or a lender involved, they're going to have a requirement built into that contract agreement, or if you purchase on your own, purchase outright, you'll want to protect that purchase through garage dealers. Beyond those three major pieces, it's important to have a good conversation around maybe coverage for the commercial property, what building or buildings you operate in, the actual car lot or the used dealer space or new dealership space that you operate in. And then we take a little bit of a deeper dive into some of those lesser known coverages. As an example, business personal property. The loose contents inside your facility or inside your organization, anything from loose furniture, decorations, computers, software, hand tools, anything of the like that in theory, if you took the building and turned it upside down, shook it loose, what would fall out the sides? Those parts and pieces that you use for day-to-day operation, we can categorize under business personal property. So that's a lesser known or minor type coverage that not many people really focus on or consider when they're trying to apply for commercial insurance on their organization. And then from there we move forward, we can have discussions in regards to E&O, which is errors and emissions, or errors and omissions for our dealers, cyber liability, EPLI, employment practices liability insurance, and a few others. Outdoor signage, for example. Again, some of these coverages that our folks may not consider, or that conversation with the customer and the advisor may not come up initially, but certainly want to think about in a 360 full scope protection plan.